Amakri the 11th, and Amanyanabo of Kalabari Kingdom.
Today it has pleased God that the funeral and burial of Amakri 11, the great-grandson of Amakri 4, is to be overseen by a descendant of King Ijaw of Opobo.
Even though it's not a solidarity visit, the Kalabari chiefs are nevertheless using the opportunity to thank Governor Fubara for all he has done for the Kalabari Kingdom.
That we, God has appointed that you should govern. Our loyalty will never depart from you.
For Governor Sim Fubara, the visit of the Kalabari chiefs provides him the opportunity to douse speculations about his ethnicity.
Ijaw is not complete without Opobo. So whoever is feeding you people with that information, they should go back to their history classes. You can't talk about the Ijaw struggle without the Opobo, the Boni, the Kalabaris. We had our own line, trade line at that time. And for you to occupy a trade line, it means you are a true Ijaw man. So for the record, I'm a full-blooded, up to my bone, and Ijaw man.
While promising to be governor of all Rivers people, Sim Fubara also vows to fulfill every promise that he has made.
Except they remove me today, but so long as I'm still standing, we will ensure that we'll redeem those promises. They might call me any name they want to call. You know, when things are bad, people will say all sorts of things. It is only the will of the Almighty that prevails in any circumstance, no matter what it is.
He adds that he will continue to stand for truth and justice, no matter the consequences.
Even when our great-grandfathers were under inhuman conditions, they did not subject themselves to the colonial slavery. They were able to raise their head and also died in the struggle of saying this is right and this is wrong. I will leave it here until a better day when a lot of things will be put in its proper place.
The late Amanyanabo of Kalabari Kingdom will be laid to rest on the 30th of November 2023.